If you implement this strategy I'm going to show you on this video today, you'll be marveled at the amount of views, subscribers, and engagement you get on your videos. See guys, this one shocked me. That is the more reason why I will say this and always say it to every creator that wants to start out on YouTube. Study your YouTube studio. It is very important. Sometimes you miss out on something that might be the thing that will actually make you to get more engagement on your videos. And when I found this, I was like, oh my God. Is this how much I have been missing and my community and my students have been missing? No, I have to tell you guys this today so we all can start implementing this and growing very fast. I've implemented it, yes. Before doing this video right now, I tried it on one of my channels and I was like, I found the blueprint. YouTube might be difficult, but YouTube itself is making it easy for every creator who wants to do more research, who wants to actually read and study the YouTube studio. If you study the YouTube studio, YouTube will be very, very easy for you. Now, no much talking on this video, right? All I want you to do if you want to grow aggressively, go down to the comment section like we always do and connect with everyone. Go to our channels, the link is right there, and connect with every content creator so that you can grow fast. Now, we're going to implement this strategy using our smartphone. I'm going to illustrate this using the smartphone and also the laptop for clearer views, okay? You can actually implement this using your smartphone, but I'm going to illustrate also with the laptop so that you will see it clearly what I am actually talking about. Guys, this one actually blew my mind away. Now, to be able to implement this strategy to work perfect for your channel, we're going to do this in two ways. For those who have been creating content and have a niche, I'm not talking about people who have like 5 different niches in one channel. If your channel has one niche and you've been creating content for like 2 months, this strategy I'm going to show you today will work 100% for you. But if you're about to start out on YouTube, it's going to work like 50%, which is still better than not implementing the strategy at all. So the first part of this video, I'm going to show you how you can implement this strategy if you've been creating content for 2 months, and also if you have one niche on the channel you're using. For those who have 5 niches in one channel, no worries, you can still implement this. It will work for you, but it would work 50% just like someone who is starting out on YouTube. But all this, it's better than not implementing the strategy. All right, let me take you to the smartphone and you see what exactly you can do. Now, right here on your YouTube studio, you don't need to go to YouTube Chrome, okay? If you have your YouTube studio downloaded, perfect. Now, here we are on the YouTube studio. Okay, below here where you see dashboard, content, analytics, community, and earn, click on analytics. Okay, now when you click on analytics, you go above where you see trends, overview, content, and audience. Click on audience, just like so. Now when you click on audience, below here where you see when your viewers are on YouTube, this is where the secret is. Now, this chart that you see right here is illustrating when your audience are always on YouTube. So, before I go ahead, this chart is helping you to know when you can post best. Because the time I post best is not the time that is going to work for you. If you go right here to analytics and to audience, it will show you when best you can post on your channel. Don't follow bigger YouTubers and say, oh, they posted at this time, they made this amount of views, let me do the same. Or my neighbor posted at this time and made this amount of views, let me do that. Go to your YouTube studio and you find out when your audience are always there. Remember, this is for those who have been posting consistently for like 2 months, who have had their channels for like 2 months and have been posting and also have a particular niche. This will work for you 100%. And for the rest, you have 50%. Remember, I'm here on this channel to tell you the truth and how it is. If it's going to pain you, then I will tell you how it is so you can adjust yourself and start making this Money. All right, guys. So this is the chart right here, and it actually brings out your time from 12 a.m. to 6 p.m. All right, from Sunday to Saturday. I cannot actually give you details on this because this is a smartphone. As it's popping right there, you will not be able to see the details. So let me take you to the laptop to break this down in a better way so you can implement it and get 100% of this video. So right here on your YouTube studio, what you have to do is to come to the left hand side and you go to analytics just like so. You click on it. And right here on analytics, you're going to see overview, content and audience. You click on audience. You scroll below just like so. And right here is our chart, okay? When your viewers are on YouTube, your local time is GMT plus 0100 for the last 28 days. Now, to implement this strategy, you have to always go to this chart and update it every 24 or 28 days. Every 28 days. So this simply means that every month or every 28 days, come back to this chart and see if the time you were posting last month is still the same time you will be posting this month. Now, right here, as you can see, we have from Sunday to Saturdays, and from here, we have from 12 a.m. to 6 p.m. Now, there are two things I want you, or three things I want you to take note on this chart. It is pink, right? I hope so. Now, we have the bright pink, we have the very dark pink, and we have the light pink, right? I'm talking in the context of this chart, all right? And then there are also certain positions here where you see brightest of this pink. Now, right here at 12 a.m., let's start from Sunday. If you click right here, you will see here, Sunday, 12 a.m. Few of your viewers are on YouTube. If you come down at 1 a.m., still few. 2 p.m., 2 a.m., still few. 3 a.m. still few. And below here, very few. So there are few and there are very few. You have to take note, because if you go and post your video at the time when there are very few people, then you're actually draining that video. This chart is to help you know when you can post on your YouTube studio to get views from your audience. Because someone asked me, when can I post to best get views? I can't give you my time. You only have to go right here, analyze it, and know when your own audience are on YouTube. Now, if you come below here, let's just go faster. It's for illustration. Some of your viewers are on YouTube right here, few. And let's just keep 12 p.m. because it's very few too. Now, let's come to where we see the brighter pink right here. This is 6 p.m. Most of your viewers are on YouTube. 7 p.m. Most of your viewers are there. We have 8 p.m. Most of your viewers. So if I am posting on Sundays, then 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. is the time I should post. Like I'm saying, this one changed my idea about content creation on YouTube. If you know exactly when to post, then you'll be able to get more views, or you'll be able to spike the algorithm to refer your videos to a lot of people, because the algorithm only refers your videos when it has seen that a lot of people are watching and they are watching that video for long. So if you can post when all your viewers are there, and at least let's say 100 of your viewers are watching at the same time and watching longer, then the algorithm will definitely recommend your videos to more audience. Now let's go to Monday. Monday is the same. If you come right here, Mondays 12 a.m. few views, few views, few views, few views. We don't have very few views on Mondays. You come here, you see many of your viewers. You come below, few. You come on Tuesday, the same. I think right here on my chart, I have Sundays, Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays that I have very few of my viewers. Let me show you right here on Tuesdays, we have very few. If you come here on Thursday, we still have few here, very few. And on Saturdays, I also have here very few. These are the darker pinks on my chart, and I have very few audience. So I would never dare to post on these particular times and these days. I will better wait maybe the next month. If I come right here to this chart and I see a change, then I can post at that time. Now, these are the times that favor me on my chart for this month. Remember, I said every month or every after 28 days, come back and analyze your chart, all right? Because your viewers might actually change. They might change when they're on YouTube. Now, if I come right here on Mondays, this is the time where I have most of my viewers. 2 p.m. 1 p.m. and 2 p.m. Be very careful when you're analyzing this, because if you put your arrow on the wrong board, then you might get a wrong time and think that is when you have your viewers, and you'll make a mistake. Now, on Wednesdays, I have right here at 12 p.m. Now, below here, I also have another time here, 4 p.m. on Wednesdays. And here also, I have on Wednesdays at 8 p.m. So I have 3 times on Wednesday when I can post. Here at 12 p.m., at 4 p.m., and also at 8 p.m. On Thursdays, I think I have just one most here, which is 2 p.m. and 3 p.m. Now, on Fridays, I have right here most of my viewers at 6 p.m. and 7 p.m. Okay, then when it comes to Saturdays, at 12 a.m. I have some of my viewers. It is bright, but it's not the brightest on Saturday, right? If I come below here where I see the brightest, I have most of my viewers at 6 p.m. 7 p.m. I don't. That's why I said be careful. Now, 6 p.m. I have most of my viewers. 7 p.m. I don't. And then 8 p.m. I have most. So make sure you're posting at that time. Don't go and make a mistake and post around 6:47. When you post at 6:47, your viewers are instead leaving to return at 8. I'm saying this according to my chart. Now, I can decide that I want to post 3 times a week. Now, because I have most viewers every other day on my channel, I can choose any day. But if you go through your chart and you realize that there are some days where you have just all throughout the day, you have just very few viewers, then make sure you don't post that day, all right? Like I said, this is the blueprint to you getting to your monetization as fast as possible when you have valuable content on your channel. See, one thing I want you guys to know is when you're struggling to draw audience to your channel, have videos that are of value. Have videos that your audience are looking for. Now, you can have 1,000,001 videos on your channel, but if your audience are not looking for those videos, then even if you post at this time when they are on YouTube, they will not come to watch your channel or your videos, because they are already aware that the previous videos they have watched on your channel, you didn't give them any value. So why should they return there? They'll be on YouTube, but they will not watch your video. So for this to work well with you, make sure that you have valuable content on your channel and your viewers love your content, so that each time they are live, when they see a notification that you've uploaded, all of them or most of them will rush to watch your videos. Now, for those of you who are just planning to start out on YouTube, it will work for you just 50%. But before it starts working for you, you need to find your audience. So if you have 0 subscribers, there's no way you're going to get this chart. If you're just having 50 subscribers, 0 views, I mean, you don't have any video, definitely you will not have this chart, because your viewers are not watching anything, so YouTube doesn't know when they are on YouTube or not. So please, if you're a small YouTuber, what I will advise you to do right now, this strategy is not for you. Create content. And before you create this content, look for trending content in your niche. Go to any content creator that you love on your niche, follow their content, maybe take their content, repurpose it, and post on your channel. Or you go to Google Trend and search for a topic that is trending in your niche. You create that video and you post it. Now, when you start posting for 1-2 months and you start getting viewers, YouTube will then give you a chart like this. YouTube will then analyze the time your viewers are on YouTube and when they are not, and you can now work with this. Let me take you to one of my channel that I'm not using. Okay, this one right here, I'm already on analytics. Okay, let me take you to dashboard first. As you can see right here, this channel has 2 subscribers, but the channel is totally empty. No video, no views. Now, if you come right here to analytics and you come right here to audience, all right, You scroll below, you're not going to see any chat. Now, YouTube cannot analyze nothing. This only works when you've started having views on your channel. If you like, you have 100,000 subscribers and no views, you will not have this chat. It's only when you start having your audience watching your videos that YouTube is going to analyze this and bring out a chat for you like this. Now, for those of you who have one channel and a million niches in the same channel, this is going to be a little bit complicated for you. It will work for you, but not 100% as a creator who has just one niche. Now, this is because, let's say, for example, you have 100 subscribers. Those 100 subscribers are divided into the amount of niches you have on your channel. So it will work for you 50% or 25% or 10%, depending on the video you're uploading and the audience that you have at that time on your channel. I hope you understand what I'm saying. Gosh, this is really amazing, and a lot of content creators don't know. This is one thing I would tell you always. Please go to your YouTube studio and study everything on your YouTube studio. YouTube didn't do the YouTube studio for nothing. Everything you see on your YouTube studio is for a purpose. So you're either turning on or turning off the things on your YouTube studio to be able to get massive views and massive audience on your channel. Please, if you're ready to grow and grow fast, you know how we do it on this channel. Go to the comment section and connect with every content creator you see right there. Watch at least 3 of their videos till the end. You comment, and the comments should be related with the video you're watching, and also like and subscribe on that channel. When you do that, these content creators will do the same for you. Also, go to all our channels. You see the link right there, the WhatsApp, the Telegram, the Instagram. Join us and you will meet content creators who are waiting to connect with you massively. And don't forget, we have our live stream, our collaborative live stream every day from 5 p.m. If you're ready to collaborate to get more watch hours, then join us every 5 p.m. so that you can grow your audience as fast as possible. I love you all. If you have a worry, you have a question, you can send me an email. You can, comment about it, or you could go to any of our channels and you post it right there, and I'll be there to respond to you as fast as possible. Remember, this channel is all about problem solving on YouTube and also YouTube growth and monetization. So we are here to respond to you anytime and every time that we can. I love you all, and until next time, keep thriving with your channel. Bye-bye.